Hello everyone, your Excel Wizard here today going over the ROUNDUP function. It's a pretty simple formula. It should be a very simple video, except for there is one area, one piece of this where it is pretty easy to mess up. So we'll go ahead and jump into it and explain it here in our function arguments box. We see that the ROUNDUP function does probably exactly what you guessed of it just rounds a number up away from 0. So for our example today, we're going to use the number 5.55. And here with this number of digits is where people can get tripped up, because this number of digits is referring to the number of digits after the decimal point, not in total. So for example, if I had 0 digits, it's 0 digits after the decimal point. So I would end up with 6 because it's rounding 5.55 up. So it wouldn't just be 0 digits in total, because then you just have nothing. It's 0 digits after the decimal point. So if I change this to 1, you would see we get 5.6, because 0.55 rounded to 1 digit past the decimal point would just be 5.6. So that's exactly how that would work. I have this set up to where it comes up in a clock. But anyway, going over here, you enter the exact same thing, just round up, and we round up cell A1. And so this is, number of digits, cell A1 with number of digits 0. So this is pretty useful when you have things where you can't necessarily have part of something. You need whole numbers, and any spillover just means you need to go to the next whole number or the next tenth of a digit, hundredth of a digit, so on and so forth. So use this how you might. Again, pretty simple formula, but don't get tripped up on the number of digits. So as always, thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more about any beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions and formulas, I've got series on all those, so please go check those out. But again, thank you for watching.